Hi all, my name is Erica Clemens and I'm a senior economist with Bright MLS. This week is going to be filled with data. Today on Monday, both our weekly reports as well as the monthly reports for April 2025 will be available on the Bright MLS website. Buyers have shown some caution this spring, and our April new pending sales are lower than last year. But according to our most recent weekly statistics, ending the week May 11th, we see that new contracts have bumped ahead of last year, up 3.4%. However, this is following 3 weeks where new contracts were behind. We'll have to see how buyers react in the next several weeks to understand where the May data will trend. If you're interested in the higher end of the market, good news is that Bright's Q1 2025 luxury report will be released this week on Thursday, May 15th. Find all of this data specific to your local market on the Bright MLS website.